morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are well. I am Vishal Kanaujia as a moral science teacher. So, children, I am going to teach you moral science. Now, the shop have opened. You should take your copies and books so that you can fare the homework. Today, we'll be studying the chapter 1, The Advice Seller, Salah Bikreta. There was a village in Rajasthan where a small and happy family lived. राजस्थान में एक गांव था जहां एक छोटा एवं खुशहाल परिवार रहता था. The head of the family owned a shop. परिवार का मुखिया एक दुकान का मालिक था. His wife took care of the home. उसकी पत्नी घर की देखभाल करती थी. And his son भोलू studied in school. और उसका बेटा भोलू स्कूल में पढ़ता था. One day, the shopkeeper and his wife went to a nearby village to attend a function. एक दिन दुकानदार और उसकी पत्नी एक समारोह में भाग लेने के लिए पास के गांव गए. They left their son with a neighbor. वे लोग अपने बेटे को पड़ोसी के यहाँ छोड़ गए. On their way back, वे जब वापस लौट रहे थे, they were attacked by some robbers. तभी कुछ लुटेरे उन पे हमला कर दिए. The robbers took away all their money and jewelry and killed both of them with knives. लुटेरों ने उनके सारे पैसे और गहने छीन लिए और दोनों को चाकुओं से मार डाला. The little boy भोलू was orphaned. छोटा लड़का भोलू अनाथ था. He was just 14 and had no one to take care of him. वह सिर्फ 14 साल का था. उसकी देखभाल करने वाला कोई नहीं था. He also did not have any way to earn his living. उसके पास अपने जीवन यापन करने के लिए कोई रास्ता नहीं था. All he had was a house to live in and a shop. उसके पास रहने के लिए एक घर था और एक दुकान थी. He tried to run the shop but did not know how to do it. उसने दुकान चलाने की कोशिश की लेकिन यह नहीं जानता कि यह कैसे करना है. He failed miserably and lost whatever little money he had. वह बुरी तरह से असफल रहा और उसके पास जो भी कुछ पैसा था वह उसे खो दिया. But he was an intelligent boy. वह एक बुद्धिमान लड़का था. Children, I hope you all have understood. Today, that's all. Here is your homework that you have to do fair copy. Answer the following question. First question, where did Bholu parents go? The answer is Bholu parents go to a nearby village to attend a function. Question number 2, how did Bholu become an orphan? Answer is when Bholu's parents went back from function, they were robbed and killed by robbers. This is how Bholu became an orphan. Choose the correct option. Question 1. What did Bholu begin to sell to earn money? Option are A. Books, B. Food, C. Advice. Answer is advice. Question number 2. Bholu was an dash boy. Option are intelligent, B. Poor, C. Clever. Answer is intelligent. Then we will meet in another video. Till then, you pay attention, stay safe at home. Goodbye.